Everybody knows the headline, Eagles fans pelted Santa. But the real story is way more Philly than that. It's December 15th, 1968. The Eagles are miserable, so 2 wins, 11 losses, and fans are freezing with snow covering their seats. They're also furious because those 2 wins basically cost them the #1 pick, the one that could have landed O.J. Simpson. Halftime comes, and the scheduled Santa bails because of the storm. The team spots a guy already dressed as Santa in the stands, a young Philly fan named Frank Olivo, and asks him to fill in. He's in a rough-looking costume, the crowd's already boiling, and right before halftime, the Eagles throw a pick 6. So the mood is toxic. Santa's sleigh gets stuck in the snow, 1 snowball flies, then another, and suddenly it's a full-on snowball barrage. Philly writers who were there say it wasn't malicious. Nobody gets hurt. It was 60,000 people venting at a disaster season. That night, Howard Cosell shows the Santa clip nationally, and the legend becomes Philly booed Santa. But the truth? It was a backup Santa, a snowstorm, and a fan base that still showed up when most cities wouldn't. Go Birds!